This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the JDfn Forex Report.
Good afternoon, traders. Scott Norris here with your Forex Report. Today is Thursday, October the 16th, 2008. The session has been very mixed for most markets, although some were more one-directional than others. Stocks started off with a little bounce after yesterday's huge sell-off that dragged carry trades lower and the boosted the greenback. However, it was not long before stocks were pushing lower again today to the tune of 380 points. By lunchtime, stocks had rebounded, leaving the yen under a bit of pressure. Yet the dollar managed to hang on to much of its gains against the euro and a few others. Meanwhile, gold was falling sharply after breaking below its support around $830 an ounce and hit $785. Frankly, this strange mix of action throughout financial markets has us searching for some common theme. We're now in the home stretch of the week, and the daily charts leave many pairs ready to move either way. Overall, we must say the dollar is still favored in most instances, but it needs to get moving again soon or risk being sold off for a bit. The fundamentals continue to show weakness in the economy despite some numbers beating low expectations. Today's weekly jobless claims, for example, were better than expected, but still uncomfortably high. CPI is starting to fade, which should be expected given the price of oil has been halved in the last few months. Many economists believe fundamentals will continue to deteriorate both here and abroad in coming months. The big question is how this will affect currency pairs. After all, when it comes to the dollar, bad news hasn't really been treated as bad news. Just how long can the buck run higher on weak data? This may have a lot to do with what fundamentals overseas look like through the rest of the year. We still see a little more room for the dollar to rise, but ultimately a range for most pairs seems to make the most sense. The dollar was oversold, now it looks overbought, and we're waiting for some broader ranges to form on the daily charts as equities settle down. In the meantime, it's business as usual with our short-term day trading approach. Till tomorrow, have a wonderful night trading. Take care.